Hi and welcome to a quick tutorial. I'm Filip and today I will show you how to organize your files and folders images with a free program called Phototeca. This program is also useful if you're a designer and you need to organize your folders, images and assets with the ability to search them, so it's a good thing. Okay, let's go. To download the program, go to lunarship.com and just click download Phototeca. You have a link in the description so you can access it over there. Just install as usual and open the program. When you first open the program, you will see this interface. It says that Phototeca for free version library size is limited to 5,000 images, which is more than enough, for example, for my purposes. So just click this, you can upgrade to Pro and so on. To import your stuff, go to File and click Import to Library. As you can see, I have lots of folders over here and I want to import logo collections from a free pick. So I click inside and just click over here down there, click Import All. And it will import all the things you need. Okay, when you import your files, you will see something like this. Just click on the events and, for example, select your design. You can see that I have lots of design templates, mainly logo templates. So let's say that this abstract logo, just click on it and over here that says find, just click it and it will open a logo containing this zip file. This is very good because you can easily find your resources and your assets if you're a logo designer, for example. Another great thing is that you can increase the size of this so you can see better. And if you go over here on the left on the photos, you can see also your photos. This is good because if you click, for example, on this one, you can slide with your keyboard like this to find the perfect one. And of course you can increase the size and find this like this. If you click, for example, this one and click find, it will open, you know, this resource. It's important that you have an image of your resources over here, so Phototeca can find the image and you can find the resource that you need. Okay, this is good. This is good. Let's go to events again to show you how to search for things. Just click over here, search, and for example, you want to find some medical logos. Medical. And just click enter, and you can see that it filtered all the medical logos. For example, you need the green ones. You can see a set of green medical logos. See, just click find. And you can see that you have your resources just right here. And this is practically what I use this program for. You can play with all these things, and this is it. If you want to erase, just click Manage Library and click over here Clear a Library and click Yes. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to learn something new, and see you in some other video. Bye bye.